Bonjour, welcome back. Je m'appelle Herman, my name is Herman, and this will be another lesson on FrenchTasticPeople.com. Today's French grammar lesson, which involves a lot of French vocabulary, will be about les sensations de douleur, sensations of pain, les sensations de douleur. And you will need the French idiom avoir mal à, which you see here, avoir mal à, to express a sensation of pain, sensation de douleur. Douleur, la douleur means pain, une douleur, a pain, douleur. Avoir mal à is the French expression that you will use to say some place hurts, like my head hurts, my back hurts. You will use avoir mal à. Now let's see avoir mal à in action, in an actual sentence. We have here 4 sentences. The first one, j'ai mal à l'oreille. J'ai mal à l'oreille. We here have avoir, but conjugated in the first person of the present. J'ai mal à l'oreille. My ear hurts. My ear is hurting. J'ai mal à l'oreille. Oreille is ear. Next we have elle a mal au bras droit. Elle a mal au bras droit. Her right arm, bras droit. Bras means arm. Droit, right. Her right arm is hurting. Elle a mal au bras droit. Number 3, tu as mal aux jambes. Tu as mal aux jambes. Are your legs hurting? Your leg hurts. So, tu as mal aux jambes. This is a question. Tu as mal aux jambes. We also have avoir mal au. This is, so keep in mind that in each one of these expressions that you see in yellow, we have avoir mal à, but in various forms. And I will explain the changes occurring here, or here for example. Okay, next one. We have j'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal à la tête, I have a headache. J'ai mal à la tête. So let's study the expression avoir mal à. So to express pain, you use avoir mal à. That's what you will use. Avoir mal à to say that some place in your body hurts. For example, for a headache, you will say j'ai mal à la tête. À la tête. J'ai mal à la tête. Tête is head. La tête. And you will usually precede the body part with the definite article, a definite article. And we have a lesson on definite articles. Le, la, or les. Sometimes L apostrophe. So go back to that lesson if you need more, if you need to have some reminders. So, le, la, les, L apostrophe. J'ai mal à la tête. Next, for a toothache, you say j'ai mal à la dent. J'ai mal à la dent. J'ai mal à la dent. I have a toothache. For a backache, you will say j'ai mal au dos. J'ai mal au dos. Now, as you can see here, we have à la, and here au. This is the body part circled here. So back, tooth, head. And we have à la, and here we have o. Well, why do we have o? We will see why very soon. For a stomachache, you will say stomachache. Yeah, that's right. Stomachache, you will say j'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au ventre, or you could say j'ai mal à l'estomac. J'ai mal, from here, you could write à l'estomac. Estomac, j'ai mal à l'estomac. For I have a stomachache, avoir mal à l'estomac. For when your feet hurt, you say j'ai mal aux pieds. Feet, pieds in the plural form. So j'ai mal aux pieds with the A-U-X, A-U-X, j'ai mal aux pieds. When an ear hurts, j'ai mal à l'oreille. J'ai mal à l'oreille. We have here A-L apostrophe, j'ai mal à l'oreille. So, going back to that portion of the expression, avoir mal à. As you can see, we have avoir mal à la tête. Here, tête is feminine, right? So we use the definite article la. Next, so when the noun, the body part, is feminine singular, we use the body part la. Tête is feminine and singular, we use la. Avoir mal à la tête. When the body part that follows is masculine, like dos, the back, le dos. In French, it's le dos, the back. When it's masculine, we use au. And O here is the contracted form of A plus le. A plus le becomes O. We have a lesson on that, contracted articles with A. So go ahead and look for that special chapter on the contracted articles in French, and you will find that A plus le equals O. That's why we have au dos. So j'ai mal à, literally, j'ai mal à plus le. J'ai mal à le dos becomes j'ai mal au dos. When the body parts is in the plural form, like here, pieds, les pieds, my feet hurt. So my feet, since we have 2 feet, so my feet hurt, you will say j'ai mal aux pieds. You will use AUX. And this regardless of the gender of the body part. As long as it's in the plural form, use O, AUX, AUX. And finally, you will use A L apostrophe when the body part will begins with a vowel or a silent H. So oreille, ear, begins with an O, which is a vowel, la voyelle O, and so you will use L apostrophe. À l'oreille, j'ai mal à l'oreille. But keep in mind that all of them have mal à, mal à, mal à, mal à. Okay, so please check the chapter on A plus definite article, the contracted form, where we explain the transformations happening here. Now that you're aware of it, let's have a quiz. We have here two individuals in this one in the shorts, this one in seems like a swimsuit or kind of bikini. Now we have the body parts here clearly outlined. So we have her face, we have her limbs, upper limbs, lower limbs, her torso. We can see this guy's back, and etc. etc. So I have included the names of each body parts here. So nose, eyes, les yeux, le nez, and I made sure to give you the definite article that goes with each body part. So les yeux, the eyes, le nez, the nose, la bouche, the mouth, le cou, the neck, l'oreille, the ear. If you want to make it plural, you say les oreilles, the ears, les oreilles, le visage, the face, etc. Le ventre, the stomach, le genou, the knee, le pied, the foot, etc., etc. So for this quiz, pick 5 parts of the body, in a random manner, and express a feeling of pain. For example, I have a backache. How would you say I have a backache using le dos? Well, I can give you let's have it together. Let's do it together. I have, literally, j'ai mal, which means in this case I have pain. J'ai mal au dos. J'ai mal au dos. I have a backache because it's le dos. So literally it would be j'ai mal à. Remember, it's avoir mal à always. Plus le dos. Now, because A plus le is always contracted into O, which you use j'ai mal au dos. J'ai mal au dos. So go ahead and pick 5 random body parts and write this place hurts, that place hurts, my nose hurts, my head hurts, etc. My arm hurts, or my buttocks hurt, etc., etc. And write your answers in the French lab. And as always, I encourage you to make a recording to practice your French pronunciations, and I will be happy to listen to those recordings and give you some assistance if needed. Merci et à très bientôt. Au revoir. Bye bye.